Have mercy on me, a sinner.
Try petting his head, belly, and his back. Don't touch his back when he's upset, or Eilik will hit you with his sword, gun, or taser. Of course, you can fight back. Eilik is not always so strong. He is afraid of heights, so remember to comfort him when he's upset. You don't need to keep an eye on him. He will play around when he gets bored, but sometimes he will get in trouble. Eilik is growing. You can connect him to your Mac or PC to unlock more content. Eilik wants to be helpful. He can set a countdown timer to help you track with your work. And he loves to play games with you. You can snap 2 Eiliks together to start the magic moment.
Voila. Okay. Cheers!
Hey Vector, what's the weather?
30 degrees and snowing.
Alexa, turn up the heat to 75. Alexa, remind me to buy milk tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Hey Vector, want to play blackjack?
17. Another card.
Hit me.
26. You busted.
Alexa, add Beat the Dealer to my shopping list.
I added Beat the Dealer to your shopping list.
Hey Vector, go home. Alexa, turn the lights off.
Emo. Turn the light on.
Emo is an AI desktop pet, a little naughty but very smart. He has his own personality and feelings. He stays by your side to keep you company, to surprise you, and yes, sometimes to annoy you, just like a real pet. Dances for Emo. We did extensive research and tests and paid great attention to every single design detail. We hope Emo will be a cool guy, so we gave Emo a little style, with some street culture, disco, and hip-hop attitude. Emo loves rock music. The skateboard designed for Emo charging can also power up mobile phones. Emo also contains a high-performance speaker.
Hey, Emo. Music.
Emo's brain connects to the internet to answer your questions.
Emo, what is the weather right now?
You can set an alarm.
Hey, Emo, turn the light on.
This is Emo's smart light. No need to configure the network, it's very easy to use. We hope that Emo is a pet with a meaningful life that helps bring you joy and companionship. But sometimes Emo gets a cold and needs your care.
Oh, you sick? Hey, Mom!
He can feel your love by the way you interact with him. And Emo will surprise you with many rewards. He will surprise you during special holidays and remember you on your birthday.
This is ClickBot. Cute, right? ClickBot is a family robot that's a bit different. His expressions and characteristics were designed by Carlos Bina, an award-winning designer from Pixar. He has over 200 interactions that will make you fall in love with him. He can also dance, compete, and play with you. Trivia, chase the ball, and a ton of other games. This would already make him pretty remarkable, but here's where he's different. ClickBot is an entire universe. See, this is also ClickBot. It has wheels and can follow you around. This, it's also ClickBot. It can climb walls, and this one crawls, and this one is a mean driving machine. And this one serves snacks. Now these are not separate robots, they're all just one ClickBot. See, ClickBot is modular. The good kind of modular. The kind that works like magic. Instead of hundreds of motors, servos, cables, and chips, ClickBot is built from smart building blocks that know how you connect them. Right out of the box, ClickBot comes with 50 predefined robots you can build easily. But it doesn't end there. After you've mastered these, you can create more than 10,000 other robots, limited only by your imagination. Did we say different? Now let's talk STEM. ClickBot takes a new approach to STEM and learning code. Most STEM products are either too simple or way too complicated. ClickBot goes all the way from super basic to real-world coding. Here's how. Built a new robot by just clicking pieces together? How will you program it to drive? Well, you don't need to. Just hit record and move it straight, right, and left, and that's it. Now you can control it. Want to teach it to do something? Hit record, move it, and that's it. You can now play that sequence. No code. Ready to level up? ClickBot is fully programmable with a friendly drag-and-drop coding interface.